In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent the forwarding of meetings in Outlook for Microsoft 365. This is a handy feature that allows you to maintain control over your meeting invitations and ensure that they are only shared with the intended recipients. Whether you're organizing a confidential meeting or just want to ensure your guest list stays exclusive, this easy guide will help you achieve that. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook. This can be done simply by navigating to the Outlook website or opening the Outlook app on your device. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar Outlook interface that holds all your emails and calendar events. Now, to proceed, make sure you click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the page. With that done, you'll need to enter your email address and password. It's important to use the credentials associated with your Microsoft 365 account, so double check to ensure everything is entered correctly. When you've successfully signed in, you'll have access to more features and settings. Now direct your attention to the left side of the Outlook interface where you'll see the new mail option. You want to click on the small down arrow right next to it. This arrow unveils a drop down menu that will show a variety of options pertaining to mail, calendar and tasks. From this menu, you want to select Event. Clicking on this option takes you into the calendar workspace where you can manage your meetings and appointments. This area is crucial because it allows you to plan and organize meetings conveniently. Once you've clicked into the event section, you'll see various settings associated with the event responses. Look for the response options section, which is usually located somewhere on your event screen. There's a drop-down menu associated with these response options. Click on this drop-down menu and you will see an option that says Allow Forwarding. By default, this is usually checked, which means that recipients of your meeting invitation have the ability to forward the invitation to others. Click on the checkbox to uncheck it, effectively disabling the forwarding feature. By unchecking the Allow Forwarding option, you've successfully ensured that your meeting invitations can't be forwarded by attendees. This added layer of security means your meetings remain private and the attendee list stays as you intended. And there you have it. With this simple and straightforward process, your meetings in Outlook are now secure from unauthorized forwarding. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give this approach a try for your next meeting and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your invitations are under your control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Microsoft 365.